When choosing the best coffee machine for home use, it's important to consider factors like brewing preferences, ease of use, and budget. Check the links in the description to go straight to the top choices. For espresso lovers, the Breville Barista Express stands out. It offers a built-in grinder, allowing you to grind fresh beans directly into the portafilter. Its manual features, combined with ease of use, make it perfect for coffee enthusiasts who enjoy a hands-on approach. If you prefer the convenience of single-serve coffee, the Keurig K-Elite is a top pick. It uses K-cups for fast brewing and has a strong brew setting for a more robust flavor. Its versatility and wide variety of pod flavors are big selling points. For a balance between quality and convenience, the Ninja Specialty Coffee Maker is a great option. It can brew anything from a classic cup of coffee to iced lattes and offers a built-in frother for extra versatility. Lastly, if you're into high-quality drip coffee, the Technivorm Moccamaster is a premium choice. Known for precise temperature control, it produces rich and smooth coffee consistently. Each of these machines caters to different preferences, ensuring that you can find the perfect fit for your home.